Yeah. So, like you were mentioning, you mentioned that bros before. So I was shorting the spot this morning, and it gave me a nice move in the morning. I covered half, and then I got out of half when it reversed. It was a break-even trade. But like you mentioned, that bros, the market was extended to the downside. I'm looking at short into support. That's not as good of a setup. In this market, you kind of got to look to do the opposite. And then I did well with this MU short. It did retrace a lot of that move. Oh, post-market 9250, like that. It retraced a lot of the move, but you see it's like this was one of the strongest names. We're finally seeing the semiconductors get cracked. So I shorted this down through 94. I covered some down here at 91. I still have about half my position left. But like this is a name we would never in a million years look to short in a good market. But now we're trading this volatility, this hyper volatility. I'm having much more success shorting a name like this than I am like a name like Spot.